again, if ever you have exempt sales, sir, ano ba yung mga example ng exempt sales? Yung sample natin ng exempt sales ay, naalala nyo ba pag nagbenta ng senior citizen, there's a senior citizen sale, di ba exempt yon? Ngayon, since exempt sale siya, wala ka dapat i-claim na input VAT on that. Ngayon kasi ang ginagawa natin as accountants, kinukuha natin yung total na input VAT. And kung magkano yung total, claim na lang natin basta. If ever we have an exempt sale, we should remove the amount of input VAT attributable to the exempt sale. If it is not attributable, our first learning for today is you need to prorate it, just like this our example. So proper invoicing on your sales, whether it is exempt, zero rated, or it is a VATable sale, and proper claiming of your input VAT. Take note, you cannot just claim input VAT. There must be a proper item of your input VAT. Sabi natin kanina, dun sa input VAT natin, kailangan meron yung ating amount of sale, amount of VAT, name of the tin and issuer of purchaser, the description or nature of the goods or services, and the date of transaction. And may bago dito sa ating input VAT. Ang bago natin sa VAT ay itong uncollected and unpaid payables. So that's it for VAT compliance.